Video is a powerful tool for ministry. Live video production is how most churches get started using video, and ministries that have been doing live video production for a while are always looking for ways to improve. Regardless of what you're doing currently, the new Telestream Wirecast Gear 230 is a live production system that can help improve your video content for audiences who attend your main services, chapel events, youth services, multi-language broadcasts, streaming ministry, and more. My name is Alex Schwint with Church Production Magazine, and I invite you to stick with us as we look at the Telestream Wirecast Gear 230 in this video brought to you by Video Guys. As we mentioned, the new Wirecast Gear 230 is a live video production system designed to handle video switching from multiple video or audio sources. It can also handle all the graphics and image functions from PowerPoint, Easy Worship, Pro Presenter, as well as other platforms. But before we get to the Wirecast Gear 230's long list of features, you need to know that this system is designed for one thing first: ease of use. That means it's easy for volunteers or non-technical staff to produce polished, professional-looking results without a lot of skill or training. You may be familiar with the Telestream Wirecast Gear 110 or 210 that were introduced a few years ago. This new Wirecast Gear 230 version has one very distinct feature that should be important to all church users: assignable I/O, or ins and outs. Just like the earlier 210 version, the new Wirecast Gear 230 has 4 SDI connections for professional grade systems. But on the earlier model, these were all fixed as inputs. With the new Wirecast Gear 230, you can assign one connection as an output, so you can run SDI signal to your projection system, overflow, or wherever it needs to go. The SDI connection offers several distinct advantages. First and foremost is signal strength over long distances. SDI can travel up to 300 feet, where HDMI can only travel about 50 feet before the signal degrades. Secondly, SDI offers lockable professional-grade connections. HDMI is a consumer or prosumer system, meaning mission-critical locking functions aren't a priority. Under the hood, the Telestream Wirecast Gear 230 has a Microsoft Windows 10 Pro 64-bit operating system with 2 terabytes of storage for up to 40 hours of HD video. It also offers NDI video over IP networking capability for connecting your camera, playout devices, graphic systems, monitors, displays, and more. At the same time, the Wirecast software can be sending your feed to your content delivery networks and social media platforms of your choice, from Facebook Live to YouTube to Twitter and others. And your feed can also include graphics from the full version of the Tyler Live graphic package from New Blue FX. So if you're looking for professional studio quality results in an easy to use, all-in-one live video production system, check out the Telestream Wirecast Gear 230, available from Video Guys for $7,995.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.